The Easter Bunny came. You want to come and see what the Easter Bunny brought you? Wow.
Oh, that's big toys.
That's big toys?
Yeah.
Look, you got 2 baskets. You got a princess basket and another princess basket.
Oh, Remy.
Those are soccer cleats. You like them? And pretty sandals. You like those? Uh-oh. Pretty sandals. Look at the pretty outfits you got. And what's that? What's in this basket? Uh-oh. Sidewalk chalk. And look, lots of books. And look, you got a baseball bat and a baseball.
My helmet.
It's a helmet! Yay! Now you can ride your tricycle.
I know, you got a helmet.
Open this.
Which one?
Happy Easter. Say Happy Easter. I love you.